From this day till the victory celebrations, I must be informed of all happenings, big or small, in Baghdad. Keep your eyes and ears open. My father's life is at stake here. Nothing is more important to me than his life. It's a strict order, do you understand?
Sure, Princess.
He's the one who... Stop!
I came here to offer you gold coins, but you treat me like an enemy. Now, you will have to pay a price for it. Not just the lamp, but you will give me your life as well.
Without the permission of Black Thief, you can neither kill me nor take the lamp from me.
I shall keep an eye on you with the help of the telescope. The moment you signal me, I will kill the light by closing the shutter, and the image of the lamp on the moon will vanish.
With one snap, the lamp vanished. I can make the moon disappear with another. And if I snap my finger one more time, then you won't be able to see the moon or me or the lamp ever. But you look like someone who cannot live without the lamp. I don't mind getting the lamp for you, but the price gets a little high.
If a cunning person turns out to be wicked too, then how can you not like him? Tell me, name your price, come on.
$50,000 gold coins.
$50,000. Oh my God. So you want 50,000 gold coins?
Oh my God, did I demand too much?
Allow me to tell you something, dear. I think your eyes aim only for things which are in the sky. Now let me tell you one more thing. I am always impressed only with those people who aim for the sky. All right. 50,000 gold coins will be given to you. But soon after Jasn-e-Fateh celebration ends, you have to come to the ruins near the palace and meet me with the magical lamp. But keep this in mind. If you don't bring the lamp, I'll chop you into pieces. And if you don't show up, I will chop you into small pieces. Wow, It was a good rhyme. But anyway, I have full faith in you. That you will definitely bring the magical lamp. So, when you hand me the lamp, 50,000 gold coins will be yours. So tell me, do you accept the deal?
I accept.
Wonderful. Hey, listen! There's something that bothers me. Now look. Tomorrow you shall go your way, and I shall go mine. The lamp will be mine, and you'll have the gold coins. So tell me, what's the need for this mask? What I'm saying is, if you show me your face, then I shall show you my face too.
I know who has allotted you this work. You are following the orders of Muchad, right? Am I right or not? Tell me. I wish to know who Muchad is. The one who tried to kill my father. The one who wishes to acquire Baghdad. Tell me who Muchad is. I want to know. Tell me who he is.
He's none other than... In fact, he's a...
Who? Who is it? Go on, say it. Come on, speak up. Who is it?
I don't know. I don't know who he is. He is the wind.
What?
He's the land.
Princess, I think it is a madness dot.
Oh God, that means Muchad's henchmen are present in the palace and anything can happen at the celebration. I will have to be alert.
So just like the rest of Baghdad, even Muchad wishes to see the Black Thief. Even he wants to know his truth. The one who cheated death and stopped the storm. The one who is known as the Black Thief is like the wind, a breeze.
It is very easy to cheat death, but not Muchad, because I do not give my enemies a chance to betray me. Jashn-e-Fateh's night shall be your end, Black Thief.
Oh my goodness! What is this madness? If he sees me like this, then it'll be a problem. I have to quickly become Champa the witch. Hey! Gulbadan, keep your eyes closed. If you open your eyes, then you will turn into a donkey. No. The lizard will go to Nampa. I wish to call Witch Champa. Hey, Gulbadan! Keep your eyes closed. Otherwise, you will become a ghost. Witch Champa is back. Jinu, my friend, I'm not Jinu. I am Witch the Champa. We are going to have cute and little ghosts as our children. Ghost, 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 ghost. Foolish Gulbadan, you are going to run like this forever. And you think that I am a ghost? Then you are good as dead.
Hey, why did Gulbadan run away from here screaming ghost?
That mother, Gulbadan told me that he's getting late, so he has to rush back home. And he said that if he gets back home late, then his mother will beat him until he becomes a ghost.
Genie, you are so funny. You're good at heart, but you're very naughty. That's why I can't get mad at you. Rather, it's cute.
Wow, food. It is very delicious, mother. Mother, can I ask you a question?
Ask me too.
Not two. I have just one question.
Okay, go ahead.
Mother.
Yes?
Everybody is talking about the celebration. What is it?
The victory celebration.
Yes.
It's the day we celebrate Baghdad's victory. 100 years ago, the grandfather of the King Shahnawaz, King Zul Nawaz, defeated the Mughal king Azam Khan, and Baghdad got its freedom from them.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, listen to me.
Okay.
Therefore, the entire city of Baghdad celebrates this day in a grand way. And not just that, in the evening, the king addresses the citizen himself. And as a sign of peace, 1,000 pigeons will be released in the sky.
I will definitely watch, mother.
The entire city will be decorated. There will be carnivals everywhere, and everyone will step out to celebrate the victory. You must go.
I will go, mother. And I will take you also with me.
Dear Ginny, I don't go out on the day of victory celebrations.
But why?
Because people don't like to see me on that day.
Mother, you always say, right, that never do anything wrong or neither tolerate it. Then why do you endure this, mother?
Ginny, stop questioning me. Because the answer to your question is quite painful. And you don't know anything about our past.
Mother, it's true that I know nothing about your past. But I know that if someone is kind, honest, and has integrity, then they shouldn't bow down before anybody.
Sometimes you act like a child. And sometimes you act like grown-ups.
I have learned this only from you, Mother.
All right then. The three of us will celebrate tomorrow very well.
Really?
Okay.
Oh my goodness! What is this madness? This is amazing!
The lamp will be mine and 50,000 gold coins will be yours. Do you accept the deal?
Mom, you were supposed to pay this to him, right?
Someday my son will be very successful.
I won't be able to face Mom. She likes Jinu so much. And when Jinu is gone, she's gonna be upset for sure and she'll be hurt. But I do not have any choice.
Your mother very well knows that she is a traitor's wife.
I should think with my head, not my heart.
Give me one last peg.
Brother-in-law, I'm sorry, but I didn't understand. Before going to the Chand Minar, you had told us that you'd kill him with your own hands. But you ended up striking a deal of 50,000 gold coins. What is it that you intend to do, brother-in-law?
You want to know my intention? I shall let you know tomorrow.
Everyone will be happy with this. Indeed. Jinu will find his new master, who will respect him. And I'll be able to take very good care of my mom. Tomorrow before sunset, I have to tell Jinu the truth and send him back into the lamp. And hand it over to Muchhar, no choice.
By tomorrow evening, the Black Thief will be wiped off from the face of the earth. By tomorrow evening, the Black Thief will be wiped off from the face of the earth.
How, brother-in-law?
As soon as I pay him and get hold of the magical lamp, my men will capture the Black Thief. And then, the archer whom I have hired will kill the king. And I will prove it to everybody that after accepting a payment of 50,000 gold coins, the Black Thief is responsible for the king's death.
And then?
I'll kill 3 birds with 1 stone. The king will be dead. The princess will lose her spirit. And I, under the pretext of taking care of everyone, will become the king! And the black thief will be sentenced to death.